Give me an F. Give me an L. I. Give me an N. What does that say? Alvin. I'm Mifflin. And I miss Alvin.
You look lonely.
Daniel, I'm exposed. Get out of the way! So we're done with UCSD. Joshua got his tour and all his other stuff in Triton Day. And now we're in Long Beach so that Joshua can rule it out completely.
Like that's why my friends say that he looks so weird when he walks so slow. He walks so slow.
He's still walking.
You walk so slow. You only walk so slow. Come on.
It's 5 minutes. The way you walk.
So here's the room. Here's our beds, the 2 queen beds, the pull out. Joshua and Daniel sleeping there. Here's other stuff. There's a just kitchen, there's TV. Here's more drawers. And wow, look at that. They got the kiddie pool, the hangout area, and then the other pool over there. Get out of the way! We're waiting at the front of Disney again, hopefully. They have fireworks today, but if you guys can see, but there's a lot of wind right now, so they're probably gonna cancel it. Baby's like, what's going on?
Get down, get down.
Get down, get down. I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. I was watching TV. Cool CJ. I missed you. Adana, I missed you. Joshua, I missed you. Mama. Danielle, you gave me peanut butter. Thank you.
I know what peanut butter is.
Thank you, Danielle. I love you.
Wait, okay?
Wait for what? What are you doing? Where's the peanut butter? Why are you walking away?
I'm gonna push you into the
Why are you gonna push Queen Teacher to the bush?
because he's walking.
Where's my peanut butter?
Go.
I just want peanut butter. Queen Teacher, where's my peanut butter? Mama! Danielle's hugging me my peanut butter. Danielle's hogging the peanut butter.
So stupid.
Yes, I love peanut butter. Where are you putting peanut butter, Danielle? I just want peanut butter. I guess I'll just eat this. Danielle, where's the peanut butter? Where'd it go? It's over here. It's in the floor. I can't find it. Danielle, where's the peanut butter? Peanut butter, please.
Dumb as hell. I swear to God.
So what's your OOTD?
Hey guys, so today is my OOTD birthday.
Come on, what do you?
Carpenter pants from Amazon.
Uh-huh.
We have a tee from Pakistan.
Nice,
We have my little jacket from H&M.
Wow,
Okay,
nice.
what's your OOTD?
So my OOTD is Supreme.
You can't even see.
I got a Supreme sweater from Supreme. I got an Essentials t-shirt. I got Dickies pants. And then I'm wearing my Nikes. Wow. Hannah, get over here. Hannah, what's your OOTD?
Alright guys, so my mom got 550 New Balances. Odessa shirt. What was that? I got a vintage windbreaker.
Wow. What's the accessory? What's the accessory?
I got this fanny pack also from Amazon.
Wow.
I got this camera that my boyfriend gave me.
Wow. Danielle, what's your OOTD?
OOTD?
Your OOTD?
It's my shirt from Nordstrom.
Okay.
My hoodie from Essentials.
Wow. And then Costco.
Converse from Converse.
Wow. Minfa, can I get an OOTD? I don't know what that is. I got this collar from my mom. And that's it.
So you go to San Diego, do extra design video games. Like you can make a lot of money, It's video games, all those video, like it's so good.
If you're actually
and
gonna
so
pursue your acting, you should go to Chapman. But if you're not, then go to
after
San
that you
Diego.
can go to.
No, if you should pursue acting, you should go to CSUN. Stand right there. I am Chapman. Oh, say your story.
I am a original homicide.
What? Are you in a campus store? Check in?
Yes.
What's your name?
Joshua Chan.
Joshua Chan? Okay, let me check. Oh, we have you scheduled for 10 a.m.
Really?
You're late.
Can I still?
No. Leave. Leave. You don't belong here. Oh my gosh, I wanted this for so long. Adana, she's not here. Give me another one. Adana, one more. No, Hannah, she's not here. Hannah, please. Hannah, please. Oh, she's back. Hannah, one more. Hannah, one more, please. She's not here yet. Give me one more. Hannah, please. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. Danielle, can I have one? Danielle.
No. Lunch is gonna come to me.
Danielle, please. Hannah, please. She's not giving me one. Hannah, Hannah, please. Hannah, stop being in front of me. Hannah, please. Hannah, please, you can't see me. Hannah. Alright guys, I'm about to try the Haley Bieber smoothie. Whoa.
Is it worth it? What are the flavors? What are you getting?
Just too much. It's really good. It's a blast in your face. Whoa.
It's like a milkshake.
Yeah.
tastes like Play-Doh.
Where are you getting Play-Doh from?